Hi, this is Eddie from SHENZHEN Laser who introduced the new laser welding machine to you today. This is a new Mould laser recoil welding machine which is composed of QCW laser source or CW fiber laser source. QCW lasers have power options of 150 watt, 200 watt, and 300 watt. And the CW fiber lasers have power options of 1500 watt and 2000 watt to choose from. This is a 1500 watt max folding brand laser source with an integrated water cooling system. The claim is the axis provides movement in the forward, backward, left and right directions. Additionally, the machine's axis offers movement forward, backward, up and down, while also being capable of a 350-degree rotation. The control panel interface is movable for parameter adjustment.